Nice, man.
Yeah, we got one taxiing over, so you could get in the bucket.
Please stay up, and we are ready.
Copy that, clear to begin. One crew, I mean, typically we're looking at 30 to 40 a day if it's a full event. If we're both on doubles, then we'll stay out here all day and just pair up. Like, you try to pair up with someone you're comfortable with because you're working as a team out here, whether it's him watching where the truck is, making sure it's not hitting anything, and whether it's me, making sure he's in the right spot. So you have to have open communication and just clear, good communication. So you start off as a sprayer, work a season or two as a sprayer, then you go into driving. And then from there you could go on to another coordinating position, and then kind of like have a good idea of the whole operation. Be a two-step tape. So like our type 4 fluid is going to give the plane the most holdover time, which will allow them, like if they have a 20-minute taxi to the runway, they know they'll be contamination free when they get there and take off. So when he starts his type 4 on the wing, I'm hitting the button to start the clock, which is going to start their holdover clock. So that's what I'll tell the pilot at the end. Right now we have no accumulation on the planes. It's a very fast process, as you can see. You'll get ice on the planes that take longer to get off. You get a foot of snow accumulation. Wet snow takes a little bit longer, so it's really all dependent on what we have going on. So that's how, like, every event out here is different. Every time we come out here, it could be a little bit different. Yeah, 8656, your final fluid application started at 0644 local time. Clean aircraft check is complete. All de-icing is clear of aircraft. Y'all have a good day.
All right, thank you very much. Y'all do the